Pani daktari wenyu umeta pano chuso. Daktari ila sisi mwana ng'ondu. Ni tana miti kivathukanyo. Ndio ndo kulia daktari wo itata. Muti wita wo iteta. Sunga ile ndo wita. Ndo mwali za mitila ni itana yo nzepyu. Mukolecha. Umube peungi wito ume. Peungi wito kalaku. Peungi wito mukamuku. Mitisu yo nzepyu ni itana yo. Kuno uke kwa tukahitana na kuma wimu theu. I'm doing this video. If you have a case in a court and you need to win that case, just contact me. I help about cases in a court and you need to win. You need that case to win. Just contact me. I will help you to win. And even if that case you did things that you are accusing to do, even if they have evidence, I'll show you how I separate them. I'll show how you will win it through my mirror and through my witchcraft, through my witch medicine.